Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Hyundai Tucson. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a good battery. Always ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral for safety. It is wise to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Before connecting anything, visually inspect your Tucson's battery for any cracks or fluid leaks, which could indicate a more serious issue. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Tucson's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal part of your Tucson's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your Tucson's dead battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your Hyundai Tucson. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another 2 or 3 minutes and try again, but avoid cranking for more than 10 seconds at once. Once your Tucson starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from your Tucson's engine block. Then, remove the black negative clamp from the working vehicle's battery. Next, disconnect the red positive clamp from the working vehicle's battery. Finally, remove the red positive clamp from your Tucson's battery. Drive your Tucson for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.